Okay guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make your own General Tsos chicken. And what I'm going to be using, these are all the ingredients that are needed right here. I'm going to have these two really big chicken breasts, some canola oil, garlic salt, flour, sugar, soy sauce, and this packet of General Tso's chicken seasoning mix and some water. The mix says to put three tablespoons of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 3/4 cups of water in the packet. So I'm going to go ahead and mix that together in this little thing here. The chicken I'm going to cut into cubes, and then I'm going to put the garlic salt, and then I'm going to put some flour in the Ziploc and shake it up, and I'm going to fry it in canola oil. Once that's done, we'll mix the sauce in with it, and then we'll have our General Tso's chicken. So I'm going to start by mixing up the sauce and cubing up the chicken. Now I've got the sauce mixture all mixed up, and I know it looks really runny and watery right now, but the way that this stuff works, and I've used this brand for other stuff too, this Sunburn, it works like gravy packets, how it thickens up while it's cooking, like the country gravy or the brown gravy, the little packets. So it looks all watery right now, but it'll thicken up, you'll see. And then I have diced up my chicken breast into bite-sized pieces, I guess, and put garlic salt on it. I went ahead and decided to use this container to flour it instead of the Ziploc bag because it's easier and I won't waste a bag, and I can always just wash this out when I'm done. So I'm just going to stick all the chicken in here and then shake it up with the lid on. I've got my canola oil in the cast iron skillet over there waiting for the chicken. So I'll show you guys what it looks like after I coat it and while I'm putting it in the fryer. Okay, oil is nice and hot. Chicken is floured. You don't do an egg wash on this because we're not looking for a thick crust. I mean, I guess you could do a tempura crust if you wanted to, but it calls for just flouring the chicken, a light coat. And that's what I'm gonna do. It didn't say to put any seasoning on the chicken, but I always do. It doesn't have enough flavor if you don't. So I'm just going to put all of this chicken over here in the skillet and fry it up. And when it's done, I'm going to take it out and put it on some paper towels to get the extra grease off. And then we'll be mixing it in with the sauce. So I'll check back with you when I get all the chicken done. This first batch of chicken is done. You can see it has a nice golden color. I also wanted to show you this thing. Before, whenever I cook little stuff, I would have to get the tongs and pull them out piece by piece. But I found this little scooper thing at Dollar Tree, and it works great. So I'm just going to get all these out of here and then put them over here on the paper towel to drain the grease off. But it's so much better than having to pick up the pieces individually. What a great tool for $1. I guess. And now I'm going to put the rest of the chicken in, get it all done. I'm trying to shake off the excess flour like this before I put it over in here. I'm not going to be mixing the sauce in it in the cast iron. I only use this mainly to fry stuff. I'm going to use a different pan, skillet, whatever you want to call it. But I'm going to let these cook, and then when they're done, I'm going to put them over here with the rest, and then I'll show you guys mixing the sauce in. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys something really quickly. Basically, it says just to stir the sauce mixture in the skillet with the chicken, bring to a boil, reduce heat, and simmer until desired consistency, because it works like gravy packets, like I mentioned earlier. But I noticed right here, it says for spicier flavor, add crushed red chilies to taste. And I remembered I have this stuff from the Asian market, ground chili and soybean oil, and it is really, really hot. So I just took about this much, and only because I like my General Tsos spicy, and I mixed it in there with it. So whenever I put it in, it'll already be spiced up. That's gonna be really good. But I just wanted to show you guys this stuff. Okay? Okay, after I drained the chicken, to get the extra grease off, I put it in this pan, skillet, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to go ahead and give this another stir, because this stuff in here kind of settles. And then I'm just going to pour it in like it said. And yes, it looks like water right now, like, oh, I just ruined it. But no. See the stuff that's settled in there? It's probably cornstarch or something. It says to bring to a boil and then simmer until it thickens up. Okay. So I've got it on high right now so it can start boiling. It smells really good. I can smell all the spices in there. I bought a beef and broccoli mix by the same company, and it was so good. It's so easy to make. Also, you can see it thickening up in there, see? I'm going to turn it down now. Look, it's already all thick and ooey gooey. That works fast. It's really thick. I'm gonna turn it off now. Look how thick that is. It smells just like General Tso's when I get it at the Chinese restaurant, which, you know, all the restaurants are not open yet, so it's good to be able to make your own favorite Chinese dishes at home, right? I mean, that's the brand that my grocery store has, but I'm sure if they don't have that one, they probably have something for you guys. But this is done. I'm gonna try this. This looks good. But I'm gonna try this and let you know how it tastes. Okay, chicken. General Tsos Chicken. Oh, it tastes just like at the restaurant, man. Not even gonna lie, and this is the first time I've ever made it. It's got just the right amount of kick from that chili paste that I put in here. You guys gotta try this at home. If you like the video, please click that like button, share it out, save it to your favorites, whatever playlist. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so already. I will catch you on the next one. About to get my grub on.